Imagine this. God notices you even when the whole world overlooks you. Today's gospel reminds us of a shepherd who leaves 99 sheep to look for the one that is lost. Jesus is telling us something very personal. God does not see you as a number. He sees your heart. He sees your wounds. He sees your worth. Just like Isaiah says, God gives strength to the tired and lifts up the weak. And the psalm tells us He carries His people close to His heart. That is how deeply He cares for you. Maybe you feel far from God right now. Maybe you feel broken or discouraged. But remember this, God is already searching for you. He is calling you back with gentle love. This Advent, let God find you again. You are never too lost for His grace. He is always ready to bring you home. Amen.